Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna egg. This simple and delicious recipe is perfect for a quick meal or snack. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, ensuring everything is fresh and ready to go. You'll need just a few common items to create this flavorful dish, making it an accessible option for anyone. Let's dive into the preparation steps to create this delightful combination. Now let's get our main components ready. First, ensure your canned tuna is well drained. This prevents a watery mixture. Next, hard-boil your 2 eggs until they are firm, then peel and chop them into small, consistent pieces. Gently combine these 2 core ingredients in a bowl, preparing them for the next flavorful additions. This step lays the foundation for our delicious tuna egg. This is where we elevate the taste and texture. Add 2 generous tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise to bind everything together. For a delightful crunch and freshness, stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery. Then, introduce 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, which adds a wonderful aromatic quality. Finally, season with salt and freshly ground black pepper, tasting as you go to achieve your perfect balance. Your delicious tuna egg is now ready to be enjoyed. There are many wonderful ways to serve it. Try it spread generously on crispy toast or your favorite crackers for a satisfying snack. It also makes an excellent filling for a classic sandwich or a light and refreshing lettuce wrap. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.